Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through the inner workings of the modern wind turbines you see standing out in our fields. They look quite simple from the outside, but inside, they contain some fascinating machinery. If you look at the diagram I provided, let's start at the very front. You can clearly see the large blades. However, the blades don't just attach to the main body. They're fixed to a rotating central piece right at the nose. We call this central point the hub. It's crucial because it controls the angle of the blades to catch the wind perfectly. As the wind pushes the blades, this central piece begins to spin. This turns a low-speed shaft directly behind it. Now, because the shaft only turns at about 10 to 20 revolutions per minute, it isn't fast enough to create electricity, so it feeds directly into a large gearbox. The gears inside multiply that slow rotation up to a much higher speed, often over 1,500 revolutions per minute. From there, a high-speed shaft connects into the next major component. This is the generator. This is the heart of the system, taking all that fast mechanical spinning energy and finally converting it into electrical energy. Now, a wind turbine only works if it's facing the wind, so how does it know which way to point? If you look at the very top of the protective outer casing near the back, you'll see a small instrument. While it looks a bit like a weather vane, it is actually an anemometer. This device constantly measures wind speed and direction, sending data to a computer to turn the entire head of the turbine so it faces the breeze. Of course, all of this heavy machinery, which can weigh over 50 tons, needs to be supported high up in the air where the wind is strongest. This is achieved by the large tubular support structure at the bottom, which we simply refer to as the tower. It's made of heavy-duty tubular steel. Finally, once the electricity is produced up top, it needs to get down to the ground. It doesn't travel through the metal structure itself. Instead, a thick, heavy-duty cable runs all the way down the inside of the support structure, carrying the power safely down to the base where it connects to the national grid. Right. Let's move on to talk about the installation process.